guys, so for today, let's journal with me again. I have Cat Creates washi tape and few other washi tapes that I have that I will use to design my journal spread. I'll use this washi tape just to create some division here. Few things that I love doing is actually to just design my journal spread or planner ahead of time para hindi ko na siya iintindihin pa when it's time for me to journal my devotion or plan my week ahead. I usually just put them wherever and then pinagsama-sama ko lang sila later kapag meron ako ng mga favorite washi tapes ko. I like this blue ribbon. So, lalagyan natin siya dito sa gilid. So, washi tape to. Kiniskat ko lang siya kanina. And maybe it's time to put in some of these beautiful washi tapes. Actually, let me show you kung gaano karami yung design niya. So, ito yung una. And then, let's see the other designs up until makita natin yung cut-off no. Ito na. Ito yung pinaka-unang design natin kanina. So, marami talaga siyang design. And these are all creations of Cat Creates. Yan. Cut ko muna siya dito para meron akong isang look ng design na to. Yan. So, nakapili na ako ng mga designs ko for my journal spread. And then eventually, I'll just cut them and put it there. Then, once you're done, you can use your prayer cards or your Bible to select kung ano-ano yung mga Bible verses na gagamitin mo for the week. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, those would be the prayer cards that I will be using for my devotion this week. And the first one is Proverbs 31, verse 25. She's clothed in strength and dignity, and she laughs without fear of the future. So I will be writing it here. So here, makikita nyo, I have my devotions ready for the entire week. And all I have to do is write down on the space my prayer or my takeaway for the Bible verse that I will have my devotion on for that specific day for the week. So I hope you guys was able to get something from this. I hope that you learned something on how you can manage to prepare your design for the entire week para hindi na kayo nagka-cram when you wanted to do your Bible devotion. Right? Okay, have a great day everybody. Bye!